background color sky blue. Save the file, refresh. See, all paragraph got sky blue color. Hello friends, welcome to OctaCoder. In this video lecture we are going to learn about CSS Selector with the practical example. So let's start. Now we will learn about tag-based element. Now if you want to color the only H3 tags, all heading tags you want to color, so let's select the tag base. We don't need to give the operator or anything, just type whatever the tag is. You can directly select and then open curly braces and close curly braces. You want to give a background color to the H3 heading, I say black. Save this file, refresh the file. So see, all heading tags got black colors. And also let's give the color white. Save the file. See, all headings got white. This is called a tag base. Now we have another tag paragraph. Let's give the tag P, open curly braces and close curly braces. Save the background color sky blue. Save the file, refresh. See, all inside the paragraph tag, all paragraph got sky blue color. If you want to increase the font size 20 pixel, if you want to in a bold font weight, then save this file. See, the all paragraph font got a 20 pixel and in the bold. Select the color. So that's how we can give the tag base. If you have a div tag, let's say we have here div tag, say CSS Selectors. Save this file. Then you can also give as a div tag directly what is our tag? Div. So div tag, open curly braces and close curly braces. Give the color red and text align. You want to text align in the center, then give it a center. Save this file, refresh the browser. CSS Selector here, this is the div tag, so we give the center tag, so it come here. A font size 22 pixel. Save this file, refresh. If you want to give underline text decoration, underline. So see, so that's how we can select the div tag and paragraph tag, whatever the tags, we can give any color to the all paragraph and div. Just give the tag name, open curly braces and in close curly braces. You inside that you can style anything. So whatever you want to style, just give the CSS properties and the values. That's how to use the tag based selectors. In the next lecture we will learn about ID, class, pseudo elements and grouping selectors with the practical example. This was the tag based selectors practical example. Now you know how to use the tag based and universal selectors. So in the next lecture we will learn how to use ID selector and class selector. In the next lecture we will learn about it. So stay tuned with the OctaCoder.